case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, a case involving the so-called disposal of a child's minibike gained attention in the Supreme Court of Rhode Island. The crux of the case was whether, under a particular law statute, discarding of property could be deemed as its utilization for personal gains, and if the conviction still stands in the absence of proof for personal benefit. The case revolved around John Lough, at the time serving as a police officer. Lough found himself facing charges of embezzlement and fraudulent conversion after taking a child's minibike from the police precinct, only to keep it for himself. The primary contention raised by Lough was the purported absence of evidence demonstrating that the officer gained any personal benefit from the said minibike, a factor that he believed should absolve him of guilt. Making an appeal for his conviction, Lough escalated the matter to the state's highest court. The court, however, maintained the lower court ruling, asserting that the pertinent aspect of the case was whether the officer used the minibike to suit his personal interests. Lough admitted that he had disposed of the minibike out of sheer vexation and a longing to head home. Unluckily for Lough, the owner of the minibike showed up at the station later seeking its return, but it was nowhere to be found. The court's final judgment endorsed Lough's original convictions for embezzlement and fraudulent conversion. His act of inappropriately discarding the minibike pinned him down under the law statute section 1141(3), validating his conviction for conversion. The Supreme Court consequently stamped its approval on the judgment passed by the Superior Court, sending the case back to the lower court for records.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.